Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku, regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on, it's Friday, October the 25th, 2024. And I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, no additional, only these three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the three-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the killer Sudoku and the four-star Sudoku. I will start with this one. News of today, well, I've told you there's an outbreak of the E.Coli bacteria, E.Coli infections in the hamburgers of Mcdonald. Yeah, I believe they found something in the onions, and I believe one customer died of the hamburger. Yeah. Anyway, enough about food. Let me start with this one, the four-star Sudoku number 9481. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the four-star Sudoku has 25. This one has 26. Should be a two-stars puzzle. For two-stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For four stars puzzle, if it's really a four stars with 24 printed digits, then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really four stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with 6 in this column. Last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 6 should be there. 1, 1. I need a 5 here. 5, 5. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column 3. The only place level 2 should be there. Then need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 5 here. I'm thinking. Come on. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this row, so no 1 and 6 in these 3 boxes. Well, so 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 6, 6. Alright. 7. Need a 8. Need a 5. 5, 5. Well, these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. Okay, 5, 7, 8. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. The 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there, well, we see another 5 in one of these 3 boxes in this row, so no 5 here. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 3 and come on. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place level 7 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 4 and 5. We have 4 and 5 in this big square, so no 4 and 5 in these 3 boxes. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So what are these 3 missing numbers in the middle column? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 269, 269, 269. And look, we have 2 and a 9 in this row. No 2 and 9 in this box. 2 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 6. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 to 5, the 6 to 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left now in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Cannot feel this yet. Well, the other pair in this big square numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so the last column, now only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 3, 9, yeah. Yeah. 7. Well, in this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 in these two boxes. And we have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, now only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Yeah, 7. 6. Need a 6 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this third row. No 5 in these two boxes. We have 5 in this column. No 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 5 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6. 1. Oh, wait. Need a 1 here. Need a 2. And I need a 9 here. 1, 2, 9. 2, 2. 2, 2. Well. 3, 9, and 1. 3, 9, and need a 5 here. Come on. 9. Where's the opening? Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Yeah. 1, 2. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this column should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. 1 and the 9. Here also 1 and the 9 are left in this big square. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 and the 9. We have a 1 now, so this box should be a 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 9 should be there. 3 and 9, we have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place level 9 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square from the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left now in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 4 and 5, we have a 5 now in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then Let me see. 5, 7, 8. Come on. 7. Oh, we have a pair here. The 1 and the 7 in the first row, the 1 and the 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2, 3, 3 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, and look, we have a 2 and a 3 in the middle row, so no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square. For number 6. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then, let me see, 7 in this column, 5, 7, 8 in this big square. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 in the third column, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there, so the other 2 should be the 5 and 8. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Alright, then 2 numbers left in the second row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 2 numbers left also, 2 and a 3. Here. Yeah, 1 box left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then, let me think. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 and 8, we have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.